Hi guys, back again with another technical lesson. Today we're going to be talking about support and resistance. These are key areas of demand and supply. Alright, so just a quick lesson on support and resistance. Okay, so this is a chart, the LVMH, and this is the resistance level. So as you can see, I drew the blue line for the resistance. You can see the stock goes up, drops from there, goes back up to here, and goes back up again. This is a resistance area right here. So resistance and support, these are areas. They're not exactly down to the penny, down to the cent. It's not exactly bang on the exact number all time. So as you can see, comes up to this area, back again, there again, until it's broken when the stock gaps up. I'll show you another example. Resistance again, this on Planetaire. So look, I've drawn the line, resistance level, so the stock tries to go over this area again, test the area again, tests the area again. This is what you call resistance. There's a lot of supply in this area. So supply are the sellers. Support is the demand, support, and supply is for the sellers. All right. As you can see, another support level. You always kind of go by the past history, the chart's history from where it bounced. So this is a support now. We're not looking at resistance anymore. We're looking at support. So we have it bounce here. See that great green come up there? Big support that is. And in this area again, like I said, it's an area. So you kind of got to watch it. It's not always down to the exact penny. But as you can see, it's quite close each time. Support, that is. Another support chart for you. There. Test the levels, test the levels. Support and resistance, these are like 2-minute charts. These are micro charts, yeah? Although it has the support and the resistance on bigger time frames, higher time frames. For example, I'll show you an example now. This is a 15 minutes chart on Planetaire. So this is resistance level again. On the higher time frames, the resistance is or support, if it was support, but we're looking at resistance at the moment. They are more stronger because it's a higher time frame. So as you can see, try to test there, test again, try to test a few times. Look, test. So that's the 15 minutes chart. Let me just go back to the 2 just to show you what this looks like. So this same exact area, I'm going to show you in the 2 minutes chart. There it is. Look, that's that 15 minutes that I just showed you. This one here. But that's it in the 2 minutes chart. Look how much times it's tested the area. But we know it's strong resistance because the 15's been tested a bunch of times. The 15 minutes chart, it's been tested a bunch. This is going to be a nice major breakout if it breaks through. Because there's been so much supply here, so much sellers. Once the buyers overcome the sellers and basically buy all what the sellers are selling, then it's off to the moon. Yeah. But I'm going to show you another thing with this support and resistance thing. Okay, so we've gone back to this resistance chart, yeah? So you can see resistance here, 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 here. Like it was hard to break this level until it gapped up. When it's gapped up, it's actually come back down to this area. Let me just make this longer for you. So what I'm getting at is the resistance, this resistance area here where it's been testing, has now turned into support. So we call this the ceiling. The resistance is the ceiling, has become the floor, has now become the floor. Yeah, so resistance, couldn't get over it, finally broke out over it, come back down, and now it's using that same resistance area as the floor for support. You see? I'll show you another example of the ceiling becoming the floor or the floor becoming the ceiling. Okay, here. Make this longer for you. Look at that, perfect. Support, look, tested the support, tested the support, tested the support, test the support, test the support, can't break that area. Once it's broken that area, tries to come back up, but now the floor has become the ceiling. So the support level has now become the resistance level. Once this stock has broken this support level here, it now becomes the ceiling resistance. Look, can't get over it. So this is great ways how to enter trades as well. Okay, let me show you another example. I think this one's a right example as well. So look, support, 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 broken the support, become the ceiling, and now on the way down. But this example is a great example of the floor becoming the ceiling, support becoming resistance. Look, support all the way, support, support. Once it's broke the support, ceiling, bounce, bounce, ceiling. You see? Okay. So yeah, just a quick lesson on support and resistance. That was just a quick one. Got a few tips for you now at the end. So tip 1, remember support and resistance levels are areas. So like I said, it won't be down to the exact cent or penny. It's an area, but you can look at past price action to kind of gauge the areas. And then tip 2, ceilings and floors are great areas to buy or sell. Of course, you still need confirmation from other information you gather, like market direction, trend lines, etc. Tip 3, higher time frames mean stronger support resistance levels. For example, the 1 hour time frame support is more stronger than the 2 minutes time frame. Yeah. So yeah, just a quick lesson on support and resistance. Hope you liked the quick novice level of support. I can go a bit more deeper on the support and resistance, but I'll save that for later on down the line. We'll start getting volume involved and stuff like that. But yeah, guys, that's it. Just hope you stay invested and keep the trading up. All right, see you next time.